All right, welcome back to the channel. So I'm starting to do a couple TikTok videos. If you haven't followed me there, I'm going to put it right here. Go ahead and follow me. You're going to see me riding my bike. But here, my 2005 Road King Classic. This thing is gorgeous. I'm going to record a video real quick for TikTok. And then I'm going to give you an awesome tip on how to become a better rider. But before getting to that, check out the ride that I did to make it all the way over here. By the way, I gotta hurry up because I'm meeting my friend Jay, and we're gonna have a little lunch at a place called Hijackers. There we go, here in Palm Coast. Really cool place. There's like an airport right next to it. So I'm actually gonna show you a little bit of that footage once we get there. Okay, just finished eating food right here in Woody's. I had a fantastic time with my buddy Jay. Was very good, actually. Big shout out to Jay for inviting me here and just spend some fellowship, men to men, talk about some good stuff and just have a good time. Obviously, I got my 2005 Road King Classic, my Cholo build. Just a quick update on my Road Glide. Has been a Mohawk for about a week or so. By now, Mohawk hasn't even seen it. That guy's so busy. It's ridiculous. I walk into the shop and there were more motorcycles there than I was like, whatever. But, one of the benefits of having a second bike is that you just don't rush. But, it is what it is. Hopefully, I get it by Friday because we have a ride planned on Saturday. But again, if you're in Flagler County, Palm Coast, check out Woody, some good barbecue, and it's just really good. So I said this, and I'm gonna say it now. I wanted to talk about, kind of like the best thing that you can do. The best thing that you can do to become a better rider. And I know a lot of people try to or want to learn that. A lot of people want to become a better rider. A lot of people want to become the best rider that they can be. Man, I keep looking at my bike. If you keep looking at your bike, you know you have the right bike. And my white walls are kind of dirty, but I need to clean them out. But again, what is the best thing to become a better rider? What's the best thing that you can do? And I'm gonna try to be as simple as I can. And I was thinking about this, kind of like what I was thinking when I was in the Marine Corps, right? They say you want to get better at pull-ups, do pull-ups. You want to get better at running, run more. You want to get better at crunches, do more crunches. I mean, it's that simple, guys. So obviously taking some training, obviously taking some classes, obviously practicing, going to empty parking lots, and again, practicing with cones and things like that is a good idea. Another thing that I do is that I try to ride in one section of the lane. So obviously you got a lane divided on 3. I try to ride in one of them and try to control the motorcycle. That's some things that I do that it does make me or help me become a better rider. Ride with people that are going to support you and help you. I mean, the list is quite large. Man, big truck coming through. But I'm going to tell you, the biggest thing that you can do to get better in your motorcycle and become a better rider is ride. Just like I said in the Marine Corps, how do you get better at pull-ups, do pull-ups? How do you get better at riding? Ride your motorcycle. Man, how is it? It was a beautiful, just gorgeous date, and then it got really, really crappy. Started raining like crazy, and next thing you know, it got better again. So it is what it is. Welcome to Florida. Is crazy here when it comes to the rain. If it's raining, don't worry. In 5 minutes, it won't no more. So I'm heading up to Mohawk. I'm gonna figure out what's the deal with my road glide, because Saturday I got a ride that I'm doing and I want to bring my road glide. It's gonna be about an hour, and obviously the road glide is way more comfortable than the Road King, way less loud, and has a radio. So again, I want to bring the road glide. So let me make it up there and kind of give you an update on that. Okay, here at Mohawk, the place is closed, so not really sure what's the deal. I just text him. I asking if my bike is going to be done before Friday. Something to do with the throttle. If you're not aware, the motorcycle stopped working, and I was riding on I-95. I put a video down below that I did on that, but again, the bike stopped working and it kind of sucked, and it has to do with something with the throttle. There was some codes that he threw out and things like that. So again, the bike has been here for about a week. He hasn't gotten into it, but hopefully he does this week, because like I say, I want to take it out on Saturday. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little vlog. Again, if you want to get better at riding motorcycle, go out there and ride your bike. Ride it all over the place. Practice as much as you can. And again, if you can, also take some training. But again, practicing your riding and going out there and just putting miles down range is going to be one of the best things you can do. So I hope you guys are doing good. And as always, God is in control.